Hi there! Today I'd like to show you how to make a triangle-based pyramid from a single sheet of paper. As you can see, it has 4 faces, each of which is an equilateral triangle. What I really like is the fact that it holds together so well without needing any glue. First, we have to make the template. I always use a A4 sheet of paper like this. All I need to do is draw a line across it and mark off some distances. 5 centimeters ago will do fine. I'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what I want now is to find the second line, so I go like that. And like that. Whoops, need to go across a bit further. And then here, same thing. Bit longer. And I need one below the line as well. So let's see how we do that. Now, let's draw the top line. I need to find one more square on the top line, like that. So, let's draw this from there to there, and like this. And I need an extra triangle on top. You can see they're all equilateral triangles. There we are, that's that one. And now I need to carry on with some more triangles here. Oh, there's one, and there's the other. Oops, slight error, lack of accuracy. Never mind, it'll be alright. There, and then this. Yes. Hop. Triangle. Triangle. So what I have here is 1, 2, 3, 4 faces plus 2 triangles needed to lock the thing together. Right, now that we have the template, we need to free it from the paper. Let's start by scoring the edges that will be folded. I'm using a thin blunt blade on my penknife to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally, if I can get it, 7. There you go. Now to cut around the edges with a nice sharp blade. Let's start here. Careful not to cut too far. That should be the end point. Same thing goes for this. Oops, jogged the camera. Ho hum, ho hum. There you go, that's that. How many more have we got to do? Oh, this top edge for a start. And finally, oh no, there's 2 others. There's this one. I needn't have pre-scored this one, since I'm going to cut it off anyway. And jog the camera again just to keep you awake, and that should do it. Let's have a look. Let's see how we're doing. Yes, now we're ready to start folding. There's the basic shape. First, bend the paper along all the fold lines, all towards you like this. That's one. That's another. Almost finished. And last of all, like that. So now we are ready to start folding it up. Right, here we go. Start by folding up the 2 side flaps like that. Then bring up the side like that and wrap the rest around the outside. Now, you see the last flap is just hanging in the air. What it has to do, it has to fold in underneath or in between the first 2. Get a little awkward. It's not too bad. And there we have it. A perfect little triangular pyramid. Isn't it nice?